Body cap with built-in fisheye lens. Ultra-wide 18mm equivalent field of view. Great discrete street shooting lens. All glass lens elements. Manual focus only with close-up and infinity focus settings. Top reviews from the United States. Like so many people, I don't have an endless supply of money to spend on lens. That's the downside to hobby photography. I am sure most people would like a shelf filled with Leica and Zeiss glass, but that's awful hard to justify if you're not independently wealthy or a pro photographer. In that regard, a good portion of hobby photography is finding the odd little gem that allows you to try something new and creative without cashing in your 401k. That's exactly what this lens is. As so many people have pointed out, the picture is surprisingly sharp for a lens of this type, and in daylight you really do get some beautiful shots. With the fixed f8, this isn't really an indoor or a dusk lens, but when you're looking for a very wide angle you're probably not in an enclosed space. With careful composition you can minimize the distortion inherent to this focal length, or exaggerate it if you want everything to be a Beastie Boys video. The one pro to this lens I haven't really heard many people mention is how it frees you up in your lens decision. If I am going out without a camera bag, as much as I'd like to take my fast 50mm prime, I usually wind up taking the 14-42 f3.5 kit lens so I can have those wider angles and get closer up when I need it. The kit zoom is my lens of convenience. Now, I can literally throw the BCL-0980 in my pocket, not a figure of speech, it's actually in my pocket right now, and be prepared with a similar range but with a much faster aperture at the high end. Of course the downside to this approach is the lever-based cap often finds itself opening up in my pocket, but I think I'll solve that with a tiny strip of gaffer's tape to pin it closed in pocket scenarios. The easy alternative is also to just pop the BCL-0980 onto the camera and head out into the world. With a smaller mirrorless, this lens will transform your camera into a compact point and shoot form factor. All told, absolutely money well spent.